What if the way you think right now is quietly shaping your money, your confidence, and your future? Most people work harder every year but still feel stuck and exhausted. Not because they lack effort, but because their mindset is running on old, unhelpful programming. Manifestation isn't about wishful thinking. It's about training your subconscious, rewriting beliefs, and creating real change through daily habits. Every thought you repeat becomes a belief. Every belief drives your decisions. Over time, those decisions build your reality. Change what you focus on, and you'll see your confidence grow. Your actions improve, and new opportunities appear where you least expected. That's why random affirmations don't work for most people. Real transformation comes from structure, consistency, and a guided system that helps you rewire your mindset step by step. Imagine starting each day with calm, focus, and clarity. No more constant anxiety or self-doubt holding you back. Just a quiet certainty that things are finally going your way. The 8-week manifestation code is designed to help you reset your mindset, so abundance, clarity, and momentum become natural parts of your life. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start creating real change, check out the 8-week manifestation code. Find the link in the description and in the comments below.